Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what we have for you today is the unboxing and how to set up the Saregama Carvaan Musicbar soundbar. Now the unique thing about this soundbar is that it comes with 500 preloaded songs. These are classical songs, and if you are planning to get this for your television, this is what you get in the box. So apart from the subwoofer and the soundbar, you also get a bunch of accessories, but remember that the subwoofer and the soundbar connect via a cable that's attached at the back of the subwoofer, so you may want to keep the placement in mind. A very handy thing is that you get an HDMI cable in the box, and since the soundbar supports HDMI, ARC, and if your TV supports the same, then you can use this cable, and it's really handy that the cable comes in the box. You also get a pair of feet which you can install at the base of the soundbar that will kind of help you get a little stability if you are going to put it on a tabletop, and you also get a wall mounting kit in case you want to put this on the wall. Now remember, the soundbar does need power, and there's a single power cable that you get that connects to the back of the soundbar. So that's everything that you get in the box, and of course including a remote control which makes controlling the device really easy. So let's move on to setting up this soundbar with your television. Now that process is really very simple. All you need to do is take the soundbar and connect the subwoofer to it. Ensure that you are connected to the power, of course. Take the HDMI cable, put the HDMI cable at the back of the soundbar and connect it to the ARC port of your TV. The ARC port is usually labeled with the words ARC, so it's easy for you to identify. When you switch on the soundbar, ensure that you've switched on the HDMI input mode, which you will be able to see either via the remote control, which has the words USB, aux and HDMI. It cycles through these three options, or you can press the HDMI button on the soundbar itself. Next, you may want to go into the sound settings of your TV and then ensure that HDMI ARC output is selected. Some TVs switch this on automatically when they detect a soundbar. In other TVs, you need to go in manually, and these are some of the steps that you can take to ensure that HDMI ARC is switched on from your TV so you get your sound output. And there you have it. That's exactly how you set up this Saregama Carvaan Musicbar with your TV. And if you want to know some neat nifty tricks about this soundbar, one of which I will tell you right now is the fact that if you long press the next or previous button, you can skip 10 tracks back and forward. You can stay tuned for a detailed review to know exactly how this soundbar performs. So thank you so much guys for watching, and for more from the world of technology, you can subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you are notified when we upload a new video. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.